Welcome back, my dear students. In this session, let us learn how to solve equations having the variable on both sides. Here, both sides means left-hand side and right-hand side. So, today's topic is solving equations having the variable on both sides. Now, let us consider the question: solve 5x plus 7 is equal to 2x minus 23. Here, 2x minus 23 is right hand side and 5x plus 7 is left hand side. In both sides, there are variable 5x and 2x, and let us see how can solve this type of question. Solution. Now the equation is 5x plus 7 is equal to 2x minus 23. Next step. In the first step, we have to give the two variables in the same side. Here 5x is on the left hand side and 2x is on the right hand side. So both the variable we have to give in the same side. So 5x keeping as it is. Now 2x is transposing to the left hand side. If 2x is transposing to the other side, the sign is changed. Minus 2x. Then is equal to sign. Then this number minus 23. If plus 7 is transposing to the other side, plus sign is changed to minus. So minus 7. Next step. 5x minus 2x. If we subtract, we are getting 3x is equal to minus 23 minus 7. The signs are same. So if we add together, we will get minus 30. Next step. This implies if we want to find out the value of x, so keep x is equal to, if 3 is transposing to the other side, here is multiply. So multiply is changed into divide. So minus 30 will be divided by 3. 3 divided 30, that is getting 10. Therefore, x is equal to, here is minus sign, so minus 10 is getting. Which is the required solution? Which is the required solution? Now let us start textbook exercise 2.3. Exercise 2.3. Question. Solve the following equations and check your result. Question number 1. 3x is equal to 2x plus 18. Now solution. The given question is 3x is equal to 2x plus 18. This implies now 3x is variable, 2x is variable. So this 3x and 2x, let's keep in the same side. 3x. 2x is transposing to the other side, then sign is changing. Minus 2x is equal to 18 is left. Next step. This implies 3x minus 2x. If we subtract, we will get 1x. We are not used to write 1. So x is equal to 18. Which is the required solution? Which is the required solution? Now the question says that check your result. Now checking. Check. Now left hand side. Left hand side is equal to here. Left hand side is 3x is equal to 3 into, if we are putting x value 18, then 3 into 18. 3 into 18 is 3 times 24 to carry 3 1 time is 3 4 5 54 is getting. Next is right hand side. Right hand side is equal to right hand side is 2x plus 18 is equal to 2 into x is 18 plus again 18. 2 into 18 is 36 plus 18. 36 plus 18 is 54. Therefore, left hand side is equal to right hand side. Question number 2 is same, so you try as homework. Now question number 3. 5x plus 9 is equal to 5 plus 3x. Now solution. This question is also same as we have done in question number 1. Let's copy the question. We know 5x plus 9 is equal to 5 plus 3x. Next step. This 5x and 3x have variable x. So let's give 5x and 3x on the same side. So 3x is transposing to the other side. Plus sign will be changed into minus sign. Minus 3x is equal to 5. This plus sign is transposing to the other side, then minus 9. 5x minus 3x, if we subtract, we will get 2x. Then next is equal to sign. 5 minus 9, if we subtract, we will get 4. 5 and 9, 9 is bigger, so put the bigger sign, minus sign. Therefore, x is equal to minus 4. Here in between 2 and x there is multiply sign. If 2 is transposing to the other side, multiply will change to divide. So minus 4 divided by 2. 4 divided by 2 is 2 times. So the answer is minus 2. Which is the required solution? Which is the required solution? The question says there are two sec. So now sec. Then take left hand side. Left hand side is equal to, left hand side is 5x plus 9 is equal to 5 into x value is minus 2. So instead of x, put the value minus 2 plus 9. Five into minus 2 is minus 10 plus 9. Minus 10 plus 9, if we subtract, we are getting 10. Since 10 is bigger, keep the minus sign, minus 10. Now right hand side. Right hand side is equal to, right hand side is 5 plus 3x. This is right hand side, so 5 plus 3x. Next is equal to 5 plus 3 into, the value of x is minus 2. This is the value of x, minus 2, into minus 2. 5. If 3 into minus 2 are multiplied, plus into minus is minus, 3 to time is 6. 5 minus 6 is equal to 5 minus 6. If we subtract, we will get 1. Since 5 and 6 is bigger, keep the bigger sign, that is minus sign. Here I make one mistake. Minus 10 plus 9 is actually minus 1. So this should be minus 1. Minus 1. Minus 1 are equal. Therefore, left hand side is equal to right hand side. Here it is over. I hope you can understand this. Question number 4 and 5 are same. So you try 4 and 5 as homework. Now question number 6. 8x plus 4 is equal to 3 bracket x minus 1 bracket close plus 7. Now this is the question. Solution. We have question 8x plus 4 is equal to 3 bracket x minus 1 plus 7. Now next step, it implies 8x plus 4 is equal to, we have to finish bracket first. 3 into x is 3x, minus 3 into 1 is 3 plus 7. Next step is implies by 8x plus 4 is equal to 3x. Minus 3 plus 7, the signs are different. If we subtract, we'll get plus 4. Next is, you see the variable 8x, 3x. Now 8x and 3x we have to write on the same side. 8x, 3x is transposing to the other side, then sign is changing, minus sign, minus 3x is equal to 4, plus 4 is transposing to the other side, then minus 4. 8x minus 3x, if we subtract, we'll get 5x is equal to 4 minus 4 is 0. Therefore, x is equal to 0. If 5 is transposing to the other side, 0 will be divided by 5. If 0 is divided by 5, then the answer is 0. Now, check. Let us take left-hand side. Left-hand side is equal to, left-hand side is here 8x plus 4 is equal to 8 into x is 0 plus 4. Multiply and plus, we have to do multiply first. 8 into 0 is 0, then plus 4. 0 plus 4 is, we know that that is 4. Understand or not? Next is take right hand side. Right hand side is equal to, right hand side is here 3, then bracket x minus 1 plus 7 is equal to 3 bracket, the value of x is 0, so keep 0, minus 1 plus 7 is equal to, we have to finish a bracket first. 0 minus 1 is minus 1 plus 7. 3 into minus 1 is minus 3 plus 7. 1 is minus, 1 is plus. The signs are different. So if we subtract, then we are getting 4. Since 7 is bigger, we have to take plus sign. Plus sign is no need to keep. Now, left hand side is also 4. Right hand side is also 4. They are equal. Therefore, left hand side is equal to right hand side. Next is question number 7. X is equal to 4 by 5, then bracket x plus 10. Now solution. We know, then write the question. X is equal to 4 by 5 x plus 10. This implies that first let us use cross multiplication. If we use cross multiplication, this 5 will multiply to this x. So 5 into x is 5x. Then 4 is left, then x plus 10. Then next steps. 5x is equal to 4 into x is 4x. 4 multiply 10, then we are getting 40. 5x and 4x we have to keep in the same side. So 5x. 4x is transposing to the other side, then sign is changing, minus 4x is equal to 40. This implies that 5x minus 4x, if we subtract, we are getting 1x. 1 we are not used to write, so x is equal to 40. Now check. Take left hand side. This is left hand side. Left hand side is equal to x. X value is 40. Then take right hand side. Right hand side is equal to, right hand side is this 4 by 5 x plus 10 is equal to sign 4 by 5 x is 40 plus 10 is equal to 4 by 5. We have to finish up this bracket first. 40 plus 10 is 50, so we are getting 50. 50 divided by 5, that is 10 times. 4 into 10 is 40. So left hand side is 40, right side is also 40, and they are equal. Therefore left hand side is equal to right hand side. I think you can understand that. Now question number 8. 2x by 3 plus 1 is equal to 7x by 15 plus 3. Now solution, we know. Copy the question. 2x by 3 plus 1 is equal to 7x by 15 plus 3. Now next steps. First, let's add together 2x by 3 plus 1. If we take LCM of the denominator, then here is denominator 3, so LCM will be 3, then 2x, plus, then 3 will multiply this one, then we'll get 3. Here there is 1 and 15, LCM is 15, 7x plus 15 and 3 will be multiplied, then we will get 45. Next steps. Let us use cross multiplication. 15 will divide here and 3 will multiply this side. 15 will multiply this side and 3 will multiply this side. So 15 multiply 2x plus 3, and this 3 multiply 7x plus 45. Next. 15 into 2x is 30x. 15 into 3 is 45. 3 into 7x is 21x. 3 into 45. 3, 5 is 15. 1 carry. 3, 4 times 12, 13. 135. Next steps. Next is we have to keep the number with variable on the same side. So 21x is transposing to the other side to write with this 30x. So 21x is transposing minus 21x is equal to 135 plus 45 is transposing to the other side. Plus 1 will be changed to minus 45. Next steps. 30x minus 21x. We have to subtract these two numbers. Then we'll get 9x because 30 minus 21 is 9 is equal to, let us subtract these two numbers. If we subtract these two numbers, 135 minus 45 is 90. So keep 90. Therefore x is equal to 90. If 9 is transposing to the other side, then 90 will divide by 9. 90 divided by 9 is 10 times, so we are getting 10. Which is the required equation? Which is the required solution? Now check. We have to take left hand side first. Left hand side is equal to, left hand side is 2x by 3 plus 1. This is from the question, we are taking left hand side, is equal to 2 into x value is 10. So instead of x, we have to keep 10 by 3 plus 1. 2 into 10 is 20 by 3 plus 1. Here there is 1 by 1. So denominator 1 and 3 are taking LCM, then 3, then 20 plus sign. 3 into 1 is 3. Then we are getting 23 by 3. Now right hand side is equal to, from the question right hand side is 7x by 15 plus 3. 7 into x is, we are getting as 10. X is 10. X is 10, so keep here 10. Then in the denominator there is 15, then plus 3. Is equal to sign. 7 into 10 is 70 by 15 plus 3. 70 and 15 we can divide by 5. 5 3 is 15, then 70 divided by 5. 5 1 time is 5, 6, 7, 5 4 time is 20. We are getting 14. Then here is 3, so LCM of the denominator is 3. In the numerator there is 14 plus 3 plus 3 is 9 is equal to sign. 14 plus 9 is 23 by 3. Left hand side is here, that is 23 by 3, and this is also 23 by 3, and both left hand side and right hand side are equal. Therefore left hand side is equal to right hand side. Here this question is over. Question number 9 is same, so you try as homework. Now let's try question number 10. Solution. We know 3m is equal to 5m minus 8 by 5. This is the given question. Next step. This is implies we have to keep the number with variable on the same side. So 3m, here m is variable, 5m is transposing to the other side, then minus 5m is equal to minus this number 8 by 5. Next steps. 3m minus 5m, if we substitute we will get 2m, to the other side minus 8 by 5. Minus minus can cancel, therefore m is equal to 8 by 5. If this 2 is transposing to the other side, 8 will be divided by 2. This 2 can divide 8. 2 4 times is 8. So 4 by 5 is getting. And this is the solution, which is the required solution. Now next is sec. Now let's take left hand sides. From the question, left hand side is 3m. 3 into the value of m is here, that is 4 by 5. 3 and 4 are multiplied, that is 12. 3 4 times is 12, and denominator is 5. Now right hand side. Right hand side from the question is 5m minus 8 by 5. 5 into the value of m is 4 by 5, so keep 4 by 5 minus 8 by 5. We have to do multiply first, so this 5 and this 5 can cancel. Now this is 4 minus 8 by 5. Here in the denominator there is 1 and 5 are taking LCM, then we will get 5. Then 5 is dividing by 1, we will get 5. 5 times 4 is 20, so we are getting 20 minus this 8. 20 minus 8, that is 12. And here is 12 by 5, and here left hand side is also 12 by 5. That means left hand side and right hand side are equal. Therefore left hand side is equal to right hand side. Here this question is over. I hope you can understand this, but if you have any doubt, then you can ask in the Google Meet. So for today, let's stop here. Thank you all.